Please read the user instructions carefully. Ensure the sponge tip does not come into contact with any surface. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before collecting oral sample. Open package and remove collector without touching sponge tip. Place sponge as far back in the mouth as comfortable and rub along the lower gums in a back and forth motion. Gently rub the gums 10 times. If possible, avoid rubbing the teeth. Gently repeat rubbing motion on the opposite side of the mouth along the lower gums for an additional 10 times. Hold the tube upright to prevent the blue liquid inside the tube from spilling. Unscrew the blue cap from the collection tube without touching the sponge. Turn the cap upside down, insert the sponge into the tube, and close cap tightly. Invert the capped tube and shake vigorously 15 times.